Hey everyone, what's up? Let me check my stream. Okay, starting our project. Let's get the bread quickly. What I was doing up here was, when I was passing over here, I wanted to get the context. Basically, let me just do my initial setup quickly. Just a second. Yep, so here what I wanted to do was, just let me just got my chat set up so that I know and I don't have to look over here on the chat. So let's go. What I wanted here was, here I'm getting the projects or something. I just wanted to set it over here. This is basically my front end projects. Bad song. Nope, this is fine. Okay, what's this? Page is right project. Here I want to set my project over here, which is, I can do project details. So this will set the project detail and then pass on the URL, and when I'm up here I can get the projects over here. I can write I'll just split this to the side. I can just write the same name over here, and this context will come out from context equals to use context, right? And user context also we need, right? So yep, basically we need to check for null also because it's TypeScript, a good language. Yep, and let me do one thing. I can do something like selected project dot title, right? Let me do that here. Use context is not a function. Let me see. It is there in React, right? Port modules dot use context is not a function. This is quite weird. I'm not sure. it's telling me that I have less speed. Let me quickly do a test. Speed is fine, I don't know. Maybe it is not able to differentiate between the frames. Anyways, let me just quickly check if I am not live or something, because this thing is telling me that I'm not live. I'm not sure why. Copy box. Never mind, YouTube is just going crazy, because I can see very well that the thing is working just fine. Okay, where I was, can go up here. I can check. Yeah, the title, it was saying that use context is not a function. Let me see if spect element. There is no error as such, but I'm getting, what's the issue up here? Maybe I just need to make it a client. Yep. I'll just quickly go and what is the difference between a client component and component in React. We gotta make this. In React, a client component runs in the browser, handling interactivity and client side server components. So for performance and SEO, this is something that I'll focus on. Performance and SEO. I want to learn this. It can be used to fetch data and generate static content. Cool. So here in our project, basically we won't be using any server-side rendering. That helps with SEO. I get that, but I'm not gonna do that here. I'll try to do that when I'm working on any other project, on the next project basically, and I'm eagerly waiting to start working on that second project. So I'll just start it here. I got my selected project, right? Yep. Let's see what else I need to put it up here. So I have a project detail function. So instead of I'll close this, and there are some errors that are coming along the way. Let's see those. First is this price tag ribbon. I need to create this. I'll solve all of this error. So let's go and create this price tag ribbon. Obviously, if there is some model, I'll create that here, and then this will be here. Navbar, yet I'm yet to see some model come up here, which will come when I'll enable the Google Auth. Right, so it's there. Till then, just where's my price tag ribbon? Yep. So in this page I need price tag ribbon, so for that I can create a new component file which can come as price tag ribbon.tsx, right? And I can just do constant price tag ribbon price. There is a wire running up here. Right, so I can return I have already installed React icons, so I can just go ahead and import those. Do I not have React icons? Don't have React icons, so I can just go and import those. npm installing. Right, so let's see the price tag ribbon. Just price is left, so for that I need to create an interface. Price tag ribbon props. Oh, how did I create here? Nope. Where did I create? Interface props, alright. Not colon. Can do price, which is string. Fair. I like to do it here. Export default stack ribbon. I want a default export. Over here, I can just do price tag ribbon. Right, okay, so price tag ribbon is done. Where's, yep, what was I doing? But yep, this one. So project details is not defined, so I actually wanted to, I know I'm just doing this. If selected project is not there, then I'll just return then this will be working, right? I don't want it to happen there. So this price, what's the issue with this? Number dot undefined is not assignable to string. All right. I need to check on how to make sure. I know there is just one thing, either we give it a default value or just change the prop. Like there's not much to be done by like the actual element up here. What I can do is, if this is null, I can just what's the errors now? All right, I can make it number as well. Fine. Now one thing that I want to, what's fair? Let's see if there is something that I can do to write this in shorthand notation. Double cross. All right, that's exactly what I wanted. Yep, project title is fine. Rating ribbon. Okay, I need this element as well. Why not? This is gonna take some time. So here my components are just lying around. I can just create a new file which is like okay, rating ribbon.tsx. That's gonna be fine. I can just create a constant rating ribbon. Now I need an initial product rating, and then I need a display text rating, which is somewhere, and I need to obviously create a props. So I'll lower interface rating ribbon. So initial product rating, that's gonna be, what's that gonna be? I think number should be fine. I need to check here what's the number, right? Yep, cool. Right, and what else I need to display text rating, that's need to be a string. Wait, that's a boolean, right? And then I'll do react.fc rating ribbon props, right? Rating ribbon props. Cool. Void is not assignable to the type. Rating ribbon props. What's that? Just a second, guys. So rating ribbon, wait a second, what's the issue again? It's a void, right? Okay, so I need to return something. I'll do that. Stars, and I have to map with them. And I need some imports. One is gonna be import of FA star from React icons /FA, right? And then the next thing that I need is use state, right? Now I need to just fix the issues up here, which is value, whatever, I'll fix this. Let me just quickly export it as well. Rating ribbon. Set hover value, which is undefined, but here index is number, right? Done. Number, value, what's the issue with value? Key number, size, value, number undefined, on change. Okay, so basically what if the rating is 0? I think yep. So if rating is null or undefined, then this should work. We'll see if this is actually working or it's just playing with me right now. What's the issue with? Just this is left. Property value does not exist on type event target. React change event, okay. I could have done the same with as, can't I just do this? Oh, okay. I have to check how to change this to number. I don't know how to change it to number. You can surely see. What? That doesn't sound right. No, I missed a bracket. That's the issue. Just a second, I'll fix this. I missed a bracket. It should have been this and this. Yeah, now it will work. So this file is done. Complete, right? Yep. Just need to go up here. Rating ribbon, I can just import it. Wait, it's contradicting with project details per se. This is a function, project details. Can make this project also, but or I can make this as project schema or something. So many imports of a type we have. This is fine, I think. We'll see. This is also fine. Yep. Oh god, too many changes. Right, fixed almost everything here. All right, what's left here? Slider. Next thing to conquer. And slider is gonna have a lot of things associated with it. Right, let me just go ahead and quickly import this. Now we're gonna fix it, obviously. Interface, slider, props, right, and we need to have a slider image. What's gonna be the prop of that? Let me check that. I think to make slider image, we need to first make slider content. So I'll create another file. Slider content tsx, right? Gotta import this. What's gonna be slide? Slide is, let me ask ChatGPT. Base 64 encoded makes sense. Okay, active index could be number. Crap, 1 second. Interface, slider, content, props. Active index will be of type number. Slider image will be of type string, right? No, slider image is I think it's a map of something. Let me see. Types is fine. Where is it gonna call from? Here, project images. So it is what? Annie. All right. Any is not a good type here actually. Let me check Postman real quick. Is it even opening? Yep. So over here the project images will be a string, but after that also let me try to get one. Yeah, I got a display image which is no. Yeah, that's an array of string. So I won't put any up here. String array. And I'm gonna improve this a bit as well, because I'm gonna do slider images, right? Images, div index, yep. React.fc, slider content props, that's fine. Makes sense. String array, it works. Slider tx, it will be like slider props will be. Let's see what the slider image count contains. Where is it called from? That's a number. Image slider arrows, we need to see. Gotta create another file, not inside projects, man. Image slider arrows tsx. Okay, what's gonna be previous slide up here? Wait, that's a method, right? Our next slide is also a method. That's a callback method. So in here I can just do image slide dots, next dots dot tsx. Active index is equals to indexes number. Here the slide is, what's that? We're not even using it, so I can just, am I passing it somewhere? No, right? I can just do any. Who gives a crap? On click is obviously a callback method. Where is it called from? Inside slider. On click will take a number and return this. So split right. Yeah, on click is I take a number and then this will return void. What's wrong here? Okay, index, which is a number, which will return a void, and then what's left? Slider images, I think. Everything's fine. Cool. Where is active index? Over here. It's a number, right? Whoa, I've removed all the errors from here, so I can just do slider. Let me cross this. Now only 7 errors left up here, which is a good thing. So 7 errors up here. Price is not optional. You gotta have a price. Description is optional, not optional as well. I'll remove it. Project images, again not optional. Project blob, nope. Rating not optional. Tags also I want. Only description is optional. So yeah. Just give me a second. Hey, so let's go where we were. Price done, rating ribbon. I have the missing. Okay, it's remaining, but I've set up a default as false. No, do I need to set somewhere else as well? Let's check up here. Okay, I just need to make it optional. That's it. Yep, that's gone. FA $sign. Done. Let's see, a purchase helper map tag is gonna be, it's gonna be a string. Index is gonna be a number. Right, so just one error, which is purchase project helper. This is something I'm gonna implement later on, so I'm gonna wait it out a bit. What's left in filter box? ID. Okay. Number is not assignable to string. Why not? I will do to string. Happy. Now let's see how much of it will work. Let's see how much of it will work. Oh, all of it. Except with these dumb things. Everything is skewed. Slider is just not working. A lot of issues up here. I don't know how long will it take to fix all of this. I'll fix them. It's fine. It's just a matter of how long it will take me to fix it. That's it. I need to order food, but every store up here is offline. Okay, so slider content I've not added. This is something that I need to add, so I'll just copy this up, and there should be a styles global CSS maybe. There's some core. Okay, it's loading now. Still didn't work apparently. Why does the loading never work? That's one issue. Now the slider is fixed, I think. Come on, scroll. Yep. That is fixed, but now the issue is how do I fix the below stuff? Probably I'm missing just some things out, which I can just fix. Let's see what I have. Slider content I have, slider I have, ribbon I have, project I have in the model, price ribbon tag. Let me just see if I have all the content. Let me cross verify using the use effect is good. Rating ribbon. I might have commented out some things which might cause this to happen somewhere here and there. Like over here as well, I've commented out a lot of stuff. Let me see, project tag ribbon. Anyways, these things I can fix later as well. Let me see what else I can do inside this project details page. Just one thing was commented out. It was like project purchase helper. This, since I've implemented, I can just uncomment it now. Yep. Just need to uncomment the stuffs which I have created already. Yeah, we'll add the Google Auth here as well. This here, everything seems fine. This page detail page I need to fix. Which is up here. Let's see what I've messed up here. I probably missed a line or two. I hope my font and everything, font I can fix later as well. That is fine. Yeah, I got it. What was there? And I need to do it all over again, I think. The issue was that I had one of the field in a drop down, and when I copied the code from here to there, I didn't consider popping that down. But now again, it's the same thing up here as well. Maybe I've done something in the layout. No, navbar and children. Maybe I can do one thing. I can compare both pages. I can open up my website, which is copybox.com. I can check over there. Till it opens. The thing is, I posted it on very small. Yep, text comparer. Let's go ahead and paste this one. And go ahead and paste this one. There should be very minute differences, which also, yep, priced again, yep, that's understandable, this one and this one. So everything, see the benefit of such website. So I need to fix the classes brick by brick. Maybe there is some page which I have not saved. Types, filter box, index. Anyways, we'll probably do this in the next stream, maybe on my own, I'm not really sure, but thanks for joining in, guys, really appreciate it.